In this tutorial, I will show you horizontal type tool and vertical type tool in Adobe Photoshop. So let's dive into this. You can access type tool. This is horizontal type tool and vertical type tool. And shortcut is T. So I am selecting horizontal type tool. See, horizontal type tool adds horizontal type and vertical type tool adds vertical type. So this is two types of type. One is point type. I am clicking here and you can see the garbage text or dummy text has been filled up in point type. Also I am clicking here again and type tool will be appeared again. And if I click and do not release without releasing the mouse, if I draw an area, you can see it will be area type tool. You can increase the size, you can increase the width, haze, you can adjust. It is Myriad Pro. This is, you can adjust any font. This is serif font. I will discuss this serif font, slab serif, sans serif, script, monospace, handwriting, these font types in separate video which will be published soon. And also I'd like to show you that here is another option I would like to show you. This is character and paragraph option. I will also show you in separate video these options which will be published soon. You can, I hope you got horizontal type tool, point type tool and area type tool. Also this is same for vertical type tool I am accessing, and you can see the cursor is opposite direction, now vertical direction. So I am clicking here, you can see this is vertically text placing, and also I am clicking here outside, and also I am drawing an area and vertically the text has been placed here. If you right click here, you can see you can get few options from here. If you right click here, this is edit type option. You can click it to edit this type. This layer has been selected. I am going back. Now if I click here edit type, you can see rasterize type option. That means this type will be flattened. Create working path. You can create working path. Also you can convert to shape. This is vertical, this is horizontal. And here is the anti-aliasing. These are sharp, crisp, strong, smooth. And here is Fox bold. You can see I am clicking here and this is Fox bold. You can see this type. Now it is bold. If any font do not have any bold or italic options or extension, that you can make this from here. Just right clicking and Fox bold. You can uncheck it and Fox italic. Also convert to, you can change it to convert to paragraph text and wrap text. You can wrap text option is also here. This is wrap text and layer style. You can also create layer style. This is layer style. This is blending options. I will discuss soon in other videos because it is not related to now with this video. I will definitely, this is very important issue, important aspect. So you can see this is regular, none. I have already discussed it with right clicking here, and I am clicking here, and you can see the wrap text. You can anything, you can doing any wrapping options from here. It is panel options I have already shown. And another last thing I would like to show, that every type of type, this is point type, horizontal point type, this is separate layer. This is horizontal area type, this is also a separate layer. So when you typed here in the Photoshop, each type options has created a new layer and placed in new layer. So that was for this quick tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe this channel. Keep editing.